guys, we have an overhead Legacy model 696CD-B, half horsepower, chain drive. Let me show you what we got here. The limits are jacked up on this thing right here. This is a inner slide on the chain drive, okay? This right here, this carriage slides back and forth. There's a little notch in the bottom of this one right here. There's a little notch in there, okay? And this piece clicks into it, lifts the door up and down. Look how far this piece is. This trolley can't go any further. This is way too far. It's right on the edge of the pulley. So the limit's too far down. We're gonna have to reset the limits on this to get this door operating up and down correctly. This piece here snaps into the chain, and there's 2 screws and nuts that come in here. It's missing one, so I'll see if I can get a second one for it, but I'll adjust this after I'm done. Let's go set the limits up. I'm gonna show you how to do it on this model. All right guys, for this here, you're going to need a very skinny flathead, one that can get in, and see that little white lever in there? You're gonna spin with your flathead, okay? That's how you're gonna dictate where the door opens and closes. Here's your close limit, right here. Here's your open limit. Right now, the door is in the closed position, so when this white notch is right here, the door will stop. So that's too far down. We're gonna adjust it. Don't come in here and start spinning stuff. All right, you have a button here, limit set. We're gonna go ahead and hold it, and we're gonna watch the levers. You're gonna see these notches rotating all around. This top one here is gonna spin on the inside. It's gonna come all the way around. And when we want the door to stop, we're gonna stop it. Wherever that white lever ends up, no matter where it ends up, we will have to get it, once we get the door where we want it to stop, we have to rotate that lever all the way to the bottom right here. That will indicate where our door stops. So let's go ahead and hold the limit. You're gonna hold it down. It should slide up and grab the door. Here we go. Okay, it's coming open, but I'm gonna move it here down in a second. Watch, that white lever should pop up in here in a second. See it? Watch your door, right there. Okay, so I got the door stopped where I want it. It's a good area down there at the bottom of the door. Okay, now keep in mind, I held it down and then I pressed it again to stop it. If you don't stop it, it's gonna come all the way back and slam into your motor and then probably break your inner slide. So now that I got it where I want, confirmed, this is the lever that we're gonna move right here. Remember, if I need to go further down, I'm gonna rotate this way, but I want the door to stop where it's at now, so I'm gonna rotate this lever all the way to the end, left, right there, okay? Right there. That means the door is good where it's open. Now we're gonna do the bottom, same thing. I'm gonna see, this is the bottom lever right here. Now I'm gonna hold it down, ready? Here it goes. Now you can let go of the bottom one coming down, but you're gonna have to press it again to stop it. Don't worry about the lever. Watch the door. Stop it right where you want it. Right there. So I pressed it quickly. I pressed it right when it touched the ground. Look where that lever stopped. The reason why that trolley, that inner slide's going so far down is because this is not even touching the closed. It was still trying to keep going further. Okay, so now we take this. The door is where we want it. We like that. We go ahead and we put this here, and I'm gonna rotate it all the way to the closed position. Okay, I'm gonna rotate it. Rotate right there. The door's closed. Now let's go test our unit. All right, so now it's opening. Let's see if it stops where I wanted it. Bam, it's good to go. It should get a good seal now, and it should stop right where I programmed it based on that switch. There it is. Remember that that inner slide? Remember how far close to the pulley it was before? And once we made the adjustment, we got it to stop where we wanted it. That is how you'll set the limits on this half horsepower overhead model 696CD-B. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, reach out to me, garagemanteddy@gmail.com. I'm very responsive to my emails. So if you have any questions, need help on something, troubleshoot, just give me a shout. I'll be glad to help you. All right, hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.